It's a new day. Thank you so much for all the comments about you being concerned about my back. I'm feeling much better today. I'm sore. But I'm not in as much pain as I was yesterday. So I got the kid and the dog. He's back there. And we're gonna go for our morning walk. And then I was watching Moss Family TV. I will link her channel down below. And she made her family these Texas toast pizzas for dinner with a salad, and it looked so good. And I was like, why didn't I ever think of that? So I thought for dinner tonight, since it's Friday night, it'd be fun to eat pizza, and I'll make a big salad. So I'm gonna copycat her recipe, total credit is hers, and go get some Texas toast. I need some mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and I would like to have some peppers on mine. So I'm gonna go make those, get stuff to make a salad. So the local, farmer's market opened up here down the road. So I think I'm gonna go down there and see if I can't get some fresh cucumbers and tomatoes and stuff for the salad. So I just have some running around to do today. I might even stop at the Dollar Tree and pick up a few spring looking flowers for my porch. I explained this in another video. I can't do real flowers. They burn up. I can't keep them alive on this porch. So, but I'm like chomping at the bit though to get my hands dirty and dig in some dirt. So I might see if I can get some planting soil for indoor plants. Look at the dog. Can you see him back there? He's got his head out the window. And repot some of my indoor plants because they're getting really big and they need to be transferred into bigger buckets. And that'll soothe that need to get your hands in the dirt and plant, because I look forward to that every spring. But I wasted so much money last spring on all the flowers that I did on my balcony, and no matter what I did, I could not keep them alive because they get full afternoon sun for almost 9 hours, and they just burned up. They just burnt up. So I'm gonna do fake flowers, but maybe I will pick up some potting soil to do some replanting of my houseplants. So that's my plan today. It's just go for a nice walk, go to the farmer's market, get some stuff for dinner tonight, and I'll make the same things like she did. They looked so good, and she even said at the end of her video that her family loved them, and I thought that was an ingenious idea for pizza. So I'm gonna totally copycat her for dinner tonight. So we're headed to the park, and oh, there's the kid.
We might even go to Goodwill.
No Goodwill today. So we're headed to the park to get our morning walk in. We'll bring the dog back, drop him off, and then we'll head into town to do all of our Friday morning errands. Let's do this. I'm on. Okay. Hold on to him tight, Vanna. A wisteria tree. It sure smells good. Pretty. Beautiful farmer's market. And it looks like they have no vegetables. It's all plants. Gosh darn it, I was just at the grocery store. I wanted to come here. It's all plants. Great. No vegetables. Well, poopy. Alright, I picked all of those up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add them to some of these existing flowers and see what I come up with. I really like how they turned out. I think I'm gonna go get a couple more. I have tons of flower buckets from last spring, so I think I'm gonna go back to the Dollar Tree and get some more spring balloons and put a couple more around the porch. And I was looking at the ferns that I put in the big pink pot. If I get maybe 8 of those, I might be able to do a fake fern as a hanging basket. I know it sounds silly, but I love flowers. I love to sit outside with flowers. So if I can't have real flowers, then I'm gonna deck my porch out in fake flowers and make them look as beautiful as I can. I think these turned out really pretty, so I'm happy with them. Dollar Tree. All right, guys, it's dinner time. Let's get these Texas toast pizzas made. And while these are cooking, I'm gonna get a salad going. I think these are gonna be yummy. At least I hope so. All right. Got some pizza sauce. on it. I love oregano on pizza. And then on a few of these, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper, sliced pepper. Okay, got my cutting board. Those look delicious. Let's get them in the oven. Alright, main big salad. I like peppers on mine, nobody else does. Put some olives. And put 2 croutons. A little sprinkle of cheese. Here we go. That. Oh yeah. Dinner is served. Whoop whoop. So those pizzas were yummy. Something I'll probably do more often. That walk today and my face break out. But while we were at the store, I wanted to show you, I picked up these to try. They're coconut cream. These are our absolute favorites. We get these all the time. Lindy's, the Italian ice, strawberry, and watermelon, the lemon. Those are our favorites. And then we also got the Outshine pineapple. So we're going to try those. This is my daughter's favorite. But that's what we're going to have for dessert. So dinner was delicious. It was a good day. I'm going to end this here. And I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. And I'll see you in the next one. Know that I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Bye, guys.